So we're back in my kitchen and we are going to make another dish that is super easy. Okay, so do you remember the other day we did a dish with chana? Right, so I have some leftovers, so we're going to use that same chana, which had a little tomato and basil and seasonings in there, and we're going to make a hummus, and we're going to add more of that fresh basil that I got from my garden, some lemons or limes, some tahini, olive oil, black pepper and salt. So let's get going. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is that we are going to put the chana into a food processor and we're going to pulse it. I now added some basils, a squeeze of lime, some of the tahini and some olive oil with a little sea salt and black pepper, and we're going to pulse it one more time. Okay, so we went from using a leftover chana meal that I did the other day and we turned it into a hummus. Now we're going to serve it with some veggie sticks. Not only is a healthy snack, but it's a perfect snack to give your kids while they are in online school.